something for everyone. And speaking of stamps, we're gonna talk about the stamps of life. And these are very, very special sentiments in a die set that we're gonna be offering to everyone today at $24.95. You're receiving 10 individual metal dies. And then you're also receiving 10 6x6 adhesive sheets as well that are easy to use. And we are welcoming Stephanie Barnyard, who is joining us via Skype today. This is also first time on the air, brand new. I'm loving these special empowering messages that we all 100% can certainly use right now. Hello, Stephanie, nice to have you.
Hello there. Yes, nice to be here. You know what, I'm really excited about this set because not only is it great for card makers, but it's also great for scrapbookers. And you're gonna see, you're gonna get the Be Fearless, You Got This, You Matter, Think Happy Thoughts, Dream Big, and you're also getting the shadows as well. So you really want to make sure you understand you're getting 2 dice here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. And then you're also getting your adhesive sheets, 10 packs, a 10 pack of that. And I'll show you that in just a second. But look at how gorgeous that Dream Big is. These are nice, big sentiments. Here's your Think Happy Thoughts. Here's your You Matter. Here's a Dream Big. We just brought this on earlier this morning, that fun candy corn. Here's a cute Dream Big. Here's another Dream Big. Then, oh, look, here we have a You Got This. So you're going to be able to send these fun messages to your friends and family, and you're just going to be able to lift them up. Especially now, we need to be able to lift each other up. And imagine sending a fun card like this. Think happy thoughts. And look how fun that is. You're looking at all this cute little stuff, and you see this great, big, beautiful sentiment. This is Think Happy Thoughts. We all need a little pick-me-up right now. And how perfect would that be to get this little cute card? Or what about this one that says You Matter? So they're so easy to use. Of course, you can use them in any die cut machine. And look at this. You got this here. Oh, here's a great one. A great big, huge Dream Big with a great big fun rainbow. Here's another one, Dream Big. Now, here's an example I want to show you. This is without the shadow, and this is with the shadow. You can use it both ways. You're not stuck with one or the other. You can use it both ways. You can use it without the shadow or with the shadow. Now, I mentioned that adhesive. I want to tell you how easy it is to use. What you're going to do, and there you go, easy peasy. And it's going to stick on there. There's adhesive on the entire backing of that, not just a couple little spots. Right. The entire backing of that Dream Big has adhesive on it. So it's not going to pop up or go anywhere or anything like that.
I love the font that you did in these too. You can't help but smile when you see these.
Exactly. You know what? It is. And look at that. I mean, can you imagine getting that in the mail? You matter. I mean, it's really important that we lift everybody up nowadays. And these are perfect. And here, exact same die, 2 different ways. Right. So easy. Just using different colors. It's a totally different themed card.
They're fun. They're special. They're feel good, you know, and they're different from any other die on there. So you really did think of everything in this kit.
I really did try, and I just want you to know that that adhesive sheets you are going to love. You're going to fall in love with those and just say, oh my gosh, how did I live without them? Because now you don't have to worry about putting that tape runner on the back of those. It's just easy peasy, put it on the back, and there you go. Run it through your die cut machine.
Okay, messages in these wonderful fonts that, like I said, as soon as you look at it, you can't help but smile. So beautifully, beautifully done. 726-204 is the item number. Very well done. Thank you. We all need this little bit of happiness and joy. Coming up next.
Come with us on a journey to Greece and discover innovative beauty solutions that are time-tested. Powered by the Greek flora, Carrez harnesses a wealth of plant species that exist only in Greece. We handpick our Greek botanicals and extract them in our own labs. By combining the best of nature with science, Carrez delivers powerful results in each product. Immerse yourself in the beauty of Carrez on HSN and hsn.com.
Worry about one less thing with our Protection Plus plans at HSN. Electronic.
How are you, my friend?
Oh, Lynn, I really miss you. It feels far too long since we've been in the same room together.
I'm giving you a virtual hug, my friend. And what a special this is. It's a little overwhelming when you say 3 box full, and I mean over.
different colouring mediums, we do different die cutting, we do edgeables. This one, for example, is all about circle die cutting. So you would get a set of circle dies, you get not one but 2 collections of fabulous acrylic stamps, you get 24 card blanks and envelopes, you then get some gorgeous, beautiful patterned papers, and because of the time of year, these are beautiful, like summertime patterns in here. Then we coordinate in the ribbons, the gems, the embellishments that go with it, the card topper pads, the base card designs. So like I said, every box, Lynn, has over $50 worth of value that you only pay $24. But the best thing is, every month, I plan a new set of projects for you. So one month we're going to learn about pop-up boxes, and another month we're going to learn about watercolouring with metallic markers, and then another month we're going to learn about foil transfers, and another month we're going to do advanced stenciling techniques. But every month, I plan the curriculum, I plan what we're going to learn, I plan the $50 worth of stuff. I wrap it up in this gorgeous box, and it's all wrapped up with the tissue paper, and it's really special, and it comes with a little note card and a note from me, and this is delivered to your door for $24.95. There are tens of thousands of people in this subscription, Lynn, who rave about this. It is like one of the most talked about programs that HSN does, but the problem is you haven't had the chance to enroll for the last year. We only do enrollments once a year. So if you've heard about the subscription, if you're hearing about it today for the first time, getting super excited, let me tell you what you order today. You order that item number for $49.95. Even though I told you each box is worth $50, for $49.95 we are sending you 3 boxes today. We've taken our 3 best-selling, our 3 most popular boxes from last year. We've put them together. We're going to send you these to get you started, so that right out of the gate when these arrive next week, you're going to be overrun. We've got a